So it is about to turn 2023. Goodbye, 2023. See you again in another time. If y'all heard
2024! Oh my gosh! It's 2024!
If y'all heard that firework, comment down below. It's officially now 2024. It's a new year. Everyone's outside. I'm just gonna try.
It's 2024.
I know it. Oh my gosh. Did they just end? Are they like over here? Are they in the sky? I did actually see one from my window. They're coming more from like this side over here.
Oh.
Yeah, so it is now currently 2023, guys.
Not 2023.
I'm 2024. I've been so used to 2023. Oh, that firework was so loud. Guys, comment down below if you are ready for this new year.